Flying in smoke or haze can be especially tricky because it's very difficult to judge how dramatically your visibility is going to be reduced until it actually happens. I'm going to talk about what smoke and haze are, what kinds of surprises we can expect from them as pilots, and the number one tactic that I use to deal with them. Smoke, which is denoted as FU in weather products, is distinct from other phenomena that reduced visibility in that its particles are combustion byproducts from fires, industrial operations, or other combustion sources. This has a few implications for aviation. First, it can contain toxic or irritating substances, including carbon monoxide, which can become an issue in some circumstances. Second, smoke won't evaporate or burn off like fog since it relies on the movement of air to cause it to dissipate, so it can hang around for a long time. Smoke can travel hundreds or even thousands of miles, and its particles can disperse into the atmosphere and contribute to haze. Smoke may have minimal impacts, or it can cause zero visibility. Haze, or HZ in weather products, is a suspension of such extremely small particles that it takes on some odd properties. Haze is described as opalescent in FAA literature and may look bluish from some angles and yellow from others depending on the background. The impact of haze on visibility can change drastically depending on which direction you're looking, and facing the sun while in a haze layer can bring visibility to near zero in some circumstances. The good news is that the haze layer is typically only a few thousand feet thick, but it can sometimes extend as high as 15,000 feet. Unlike clouds, which generally have distinct boundaries, smoke and haze can bring dynamic and unpredictable impacts to visibility. I've seen wildfire smoke from thousands of miles away bring a VFR forecast day to near zero visibility, and haze briefly bring visibility to zero when turning toward the sun. Personally, my go-to strategy for haze and smoke or any other marginal weather conditions is to file IFR when possible, or to have a solid plan B, which may include driving.